look at these gorgeous curls. Oh my goodness, this wig is phenomenal. I'm going to show you exactly how I got these natural edges and the curly look right now. So this wig is from OMGHerHair. It is the curly unit. I'll leave a direct link down below as usual, but the wig comes like this. The curls are already intact. All you have to do is kind of activate them with water and mousse, but I'll show you how I did that at the end or towards the end of the video. Here I'm showing you the curly edges. It comes with edges already installed on the wig, so it saves you a lot of time styling and cutting your edges because it's literally already there for you. So the wig has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the middle and another comb in the back of the wig, so it's very secure and you can definitely wear it glueless. And the lace is so impeccable. It's see-through, so it can match loads of different skin tones. Pretty much anyone can wear this wig. So I started off by cleaning off the excess makeup on my forehead so we get a really nice clean melt. Then I cut the ear tabs off of each side of the wig, and then we can begin installing. So this install was actually very quick and easy. Yeah, there's not much to it because the hair literally already comes styled, so all you have to do is kind of just zhuzh it up with a bit of water and mousse and you're literally good to go. So I'm just checking it out to see how the lace is fitting on my head, and I'm going to put the rest of the hair away just so I can concentrate on the front portion of the wig. As usual, I'm using my bed head spray and I'm going to start in the middle. I actually forgot to cut the lace into sections before I start spraying. I normally do that to make it a lot easier for myself, but yeah, I kind of got carried away, but it still kind of worked out in the end. So I'm spraying the bed head on the edges and then I'm going to comb it through. Using my Dyson Airwrap hairdryer, I think that's what it's called, I can't remember, to blitz that just so it gets drier and it sticks onto my forehead. And then I'm going to do the sides. So this is what the hairline's looking like after I've done both sides and the middle. So everything is stuck down and ready to go. So I've actually just remembered to cut off the hair into sections, but I'm gonna cut the excess lace off, and once that's done, we can begin to style the hair. So before I style the hair, I'm just going to take off excess bed head spray on my head. That's what's giving the white line. I'm using a makeup, I always forget what these things are called, but this makeup cleaner thing to wipe it off. Then I'm going to take my an edge styler brush, because we advanced now. And then I'm going to start styling the edges that were already pre-cut onto the wig. Literally makes your life so much easier. I'm taking my bed head spray to do this, and I'm also going to take some mousse to do this as well. I'm going to let the hair down. I'm taking some mousse. This is the HairHair mousse, and I'm putting the mousse on the hair just to activate the curls. I did later on go and drench the hair with water because I feel like mousse isn't enough to give it that kind of wet look that I'm going for. The water just separates the curls a lot and it just gives you a lot more of a defined curl. Okay, so now that I've dipped the hair in water, I kind of got some on my face. It was really annoying. I kind of messed up my makeup, but Yeah, we're gonna activate the curls and then go back to styling the edges. As I said, the edges are already installed onto this wig. It just cuts and saves so much time. So I'm gonna style them. I don't like crunchy edges. I don't like anything too harsh. So I didn't do too much. I literally just used a bit of mousse, and I did use some of my bedhead spray as well. And I'm kind of using both sides of the edge styler brush. I'm using like the brush side as well as the comb side just to give me my desired look. You guys know edges are not really my forte, so please don't judge. I tried my best, and this was what I came out with. So yeah, that is pretty much it for the hair. This wig is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I absolutely love the curls. As usual, I'll leave a direct link to the wig down below, so make sure you check it out. The back of the hair looks gorgeous, the front looks gorgeous. I just literally love this wig so much. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and got something out of this video. Let me know your thoughts down below. Would you purchase? What's your favorite type of hair texture? Yeah, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye guys. Mwah.